Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. This language arts session will be on homophones. Now, what are homophones? Homophones are words that sound alike, sometimes are similar in spelling, but they are totally different in meaning. These words are commonly confused due to the fact that they sound identical. Be very careful with these words when writing or even when reading, because using different ones would mean that meanings also change. Let me show you some examples. These three words all sound like buy. However, they have three totally distinctive meanings, totally different. The first one, buy, is a preposition. The second one, B-Y-E, is a farewell greeting. The second one is found in words like goodbye. The third, B-U-Y, is a verb meaning to purchase something. So as you can see, although they sound the same, the meanings are totally different. Even the parts of speech are totally different. So, for example, if you wanted to say B-Y-E as in farewell, and you used simply B-Y, you would definitely get a totally different meaning, therefore making your sentence incorrect. It may seem simple because it is just an extra E, but this causes your sentence to have a different meaning, therefore making it vague or ambiguous. And you do not want this with your sentence. In homophones, there are few examples or cases that are always commonly confused. I will show you one main one of those. The difference between their, T-H-E-R-E, and their, T-H-E-I-R. The first, T-H-E-R-E, is a word which gives direction. It's a directional adverb. So you can use the first one in sentences like, I see him over there. I left my bag there. It functions as the opposite of here. So when you see the first one, always think of a directional word. The second, on the other hand, is a possessive adjective referring to more than one person who owns something. For example, their bags are on the table. Their clothes were left in the washing machine. Remember, this one, T-H-E-I-R, is a possessive adjective. So, although they sound identical, they are opposite in meaning. The first talks about direction. The second, possession. Remember, do not confuse these in your sentence. Because if, for example, you want to say, I visited there when I was younger, and the there that you used is the second, which is the one referring to possession, then your sentence will become totally misinterpreted, making it vague, unclear, and generally incorrect. To avoid this, ensure that you remember the difference with the two versions of there, and also for other homophones, make sure that you learn the difference in meanings for all of them so that you can differentiate them when you read it, but more importantly, when you are writing, you will be able to choose the appropriate one. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com.